So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download DirectX end user runtime June 2010. And now once you run this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. If the download did not start, then you want to click right here, which will then start the download for you. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And now this will come up. You want to click on yes. And now once we get to this part, you want to make a new folder. So just go to your desktop and then right click on your desktop and then click on new and then click on folder. Just call it anything you want. And now you want to click on browse. You want to find that folder that you just created. I'm going to scroll up, expand desktop, and then here's the folder that I just made. You want to select it and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. It's now going to extract the files into the folder. And then once that's been done, you want to double click on the folder and you want to find dxsetup.exe. We're going to scroll down until we find dxsetup.exe, double click on it and then click on yes. And then once we're on this, you want to tick the box I accept and then click on next and then click on next again. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to click on finish. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.